Welcome to this tutorial. This is actually for another video. So if you haven't seen that video, how to teach a foreign language to your child for free, go and see that first, because then you won't really, or this video won't really matter that much. Today we're going to take a look at Instant.Audio, and we're going to take a look at Spotify, and we're going to take a look at local radio stations, how to find them and use it in that strategy that we use to teach our children a foreign language for free, even though we don't know the language ourselves. Okay, so if you go to Instant.Audio, just like I have here, you will find a lot of different languages. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna pick maybe some English. So let's see here. Yeah, where is either we need like Britain or it's divided into. Okay, so here we got United Kingdom. So basically we're gonna find radio stations to learn a foreign language, right? So now I'm just showing you for how it would be for United Kingdom. Okay, so now these are all the radio stations on this page. We can also sort them. If we go to the menu, we could say, or sort them by category. So for English, there is not really a children's channel that we're looking for. Why that is, I'm not sure, because both Norwegian and Spanish has children channels. Maybe there are just so many places to find English that they didn't bother to put up a channel for children here, because you can just go to YouTube and see it there. So, but yeah, let's just pretend, because if you do this in another language, they might have it. So then just choose like children or whatever, and then
your good health or your retirement plans. Perhaps that big road trip on a new motorcycle, whether savings, protection products, or investments.
Yeah. So that's how you find radio stations for children on audio or Instant.Audio. And we're going to use this for the immersion phase. So go see that other video and then you'll understand. So the second thing we're going to talk about here is, if you're not able to find stations here, we will manually look for radio stations for children ourselves. But luckily we don't have to do it manually. We can just use AI. So maybe we'll write. Also, it may be sometimes that we want to translate. For example, if I wanted to find radio station in Spanish, I would maybe ask AI to translate, or even go to Google Translate and have them say it in Spanish. But we're gonna try this first. So, can you find Spanish radio stations for children? And then nowadays I only use Grok because it's so good and it's free. You can put it to deeper search, and you can put this think cap on. So what this means is it will start to think through the solution and evaluate it. And then that can take a long time, actually, sometimes up to 5 minutes, but it just depends on how much information there is out there. We're probably gonna skip this. So yeah, okay, there it's finished already. Here is a list of Spanish radio stations that are specifically designed for children or offer family-friendly content. So, and then I would just go and search for these. Okay, we could try this one right away here. Just one example. Okay, and then radio. Obviously, if you don't want Spanish, you can just change the language. Okay, so that's just one example, but you see here that we got quite a few of them. Okay, the next thing we're gonna look at is Spotify, because not everybody is familiar with Spotify. So here we're gonna find some podcasts, and in this particular case, I would probably go to, okay, let's start with English, and let's say like podcast children. The reason that I do this is that you are much more likely to get, if you just search for Spanish podcast for children, you might get bilingual content, which we don't really want. We actually want content that is for Spanish children, because children, they just learn so quick, so we don't need to feed them in the native language. Okay, so here we got this one. We just copy that and go to Spotify, put that in here. All right. Podcast para niños. I don't know so much Spanish. This is just for Selyna, basically, my daughter.
Hola, soy Nuria.
Y yo soy Álvaro. Bienvenida.
Okay, so you heard they spoke really, really slow, and that's just a quick tip. If you want to know that you can actually turn down the speed here. So you see that? So this would be like normal. This would be quicker. You want to turn it down if the child has difficulty understanding, but that is too much. This is half speed, so maybe something like this would be optimal in the beginning. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, I hope I went through everything here today so you can understand it easily. If you have any questions, post them in the comment. I will see and hear from you guys later. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.